Good.
Well, my troubles all started when I was but a mere 3 years old. My family, we could never afford a real dog, so we had to play with Bernard over here. Sure, he did the normal dog things. He sat around the house, played with us, but I couldn't help but feel something was missing. That's when I met Sophie. Sophie is my true sister. We belong together as brother and sister, forever united against the fronts of Robilius, the Robin. Well, on my 4th birthday, I discovered something horrible. The dog wasn't real. So I paid my parents a little visit. 1, 2 slashes and they were out crying like babies. Sophia knew about that too. She laughed and laughed with me. Oh, we had fun. And then, ever so carefully, we hid their bodies under the floorboards. Oh, not those floorboards, the ones just wrapped them. Not that rat, the other rat. That's it. That's the spot. And even now, you can see the blood driplets coming up one by one, slowly, ever so slowly, until Mikey gets home, and then he just goes straight to bed. Mikey doesn't like Bernard, the puppy. Yes, Bernard is my best puppy. I've always loved Bernard. Loved him like a true dog. Bad Bernard. Yes.